Morpheme is the smallest unit of semantic content and grammatical function. In other words, we can say that a morpheme is a minimal unit of a language that has a lexical, grammatical meaning and cannot be divided into small real units. Morpheme serves as the foundation in English. For example, the word unjustifiable consists of three morphemes: uh, un, justify, and able, where an is a prefix meaning not, and in this example is asked to export the adjective justifiable, and the suffix able is said to form adjectives which are usually placed at the end of verbs such as usable, lovable, deniable. The three morphemes on, justify, and able in the word unjustifiable cannot be divided. If we divide them further, the word will lose its meaning. Morphemes can be directly divided into two, namely free morphemes and bound morphemes. The first is free morpheme. Free morpheme is a morpheme that can stand alone as a word and can function independently. For example, pain, boot, in, on. Free morpheme is an example of lexical morpheme. They are nouns, adjective, verb, preposition, and adverb. Such morphemes carry most of the semantic content in English pronunciation. And bone morpheme. Bone morpheme is a morpheme that can only appear in a combination that is a morpheme is part of a word. Bound morphemes always appear in conjunction with roots and sometimes with other bound morphemes. For example, as, ear, ing, meant. The bound morpheme can then be divided into 6 parts, including affection, multi morpheme, empathy morpheme, zero morpheme, and inflectional morpheme, and derivational morpheme. We can say that some morphemes like boy, desire, gentle, and man may be self-representation. It can be called a free morpheme. Other morphemes such as is, sneeze, lie, pre, trans, and on are never words alone but are always part of words. The affix is a bound morpheme. In bound morpheme, there are inflectional and derivational morpheme. We can make a further distinction In the set of morphemes which are both bound and grammatical morpheme which have no sense by themselves and always appear in combination are commonly known as affixes. They can be further divided into inflectional affixes and derivational affixes.